Good morning, everyone. Today I am in Tunisia, one of the country in north part of Africa. I am recording this video from lobby of my hotel, and the view we are looking is from the back side of this hotel. There is a small swimming pool, and just what we are looking the sea. The sound we can hear, it is sea. Tunisia is the coastal side on the sea, on the boundary part of Africa, and if we see the sea in front of us, and after that the other continent start. Means Tunisia itself at the border of the sea, and in Tunisia, the monastir city just at the coastal of the sea. Means the boundary of this hotel where I am staying is the boundary of the land and sea, and this is the miracle of nature. What sound we are hearing right now is the sound due to waves in the sea. Very beautiful nature, peace and calm, pollution free, noise free. This is less populated country. Basically, it was ruled by the French rulers in the past, and here the language nowadays are French and Arabic and some other languages also too. In Monastir city, there is a University of Monastir where I came yesterday night to participate in a meeting, scientific meeting, and it is my second time. Last year, around the same time in October 2024, I was here to organize one conference in the University of Monastir. This is the second year where I am here to participate, and today the conference begin. The hotel where I am staying, it's Al Muhammad Hotel in Monastir, one of the biggest hotel, and we can see its structure. It is very marvelous. Now it is here just early morning, and we can see some rays of the light reflecting on the building next to me. Whatever sound we can hear this time, it is the sound of the water waves in the sea. And I believe and hope I shall keep updating something new about this city, the nature, and also the scientific things, our meeting about progress about our conference. Hope this information would be useful and motive to us to explore the new destination, to interact and see the charisma of nature, the beauty of nature, miracle of nature. Very peace, very clean, pollution-less environment. Good day.